Making a product easy to repair doesn't mean it will be repaired when it actually breaks down. That will also depend on the price of the product, the cost of repair, and the willingness of the user. Both business approach and user behavior need also to be taken into account. As an illustration of different approaches to repair, I would like to compare two different smartphones, a Fairphone and an iPhone. The difference in ease of disassembly is clear. Fairphone is built in a modular way with relatively low level of integration and easy accessibility of all modules. This allows for easy repair and even upgrading of parts by the user. Apple has a focus on durable design, both physically and aesthetically. However, the interior of the product is almost inaccessible and highly integrated, which makes it difficult to repair for an ordinary user, but not for a professional. Further, due to the high quality of its build, as well as the appeal of its design to users, the product is durable and also considered attractive as a refurbished product in a second life. From a technological perspective, both companies have followed completely different routes towards a longer than average product lifetime. This approach is preferred from a sustainability point of view. Interestingly, both approaches can be justified. It will depend on the business model as well as on the behavior of the user. Fairphone has chosen to operate in an open system, where the input and active participation of others is crucial. Fairphone explicitly has enabled by design its users to take those actions that are necessary to recover the product. This also means that its customers need to act accordingly. This is a model that will work well with sufficiently motivated users and requires that spare parts are available and accessible on a short time frame and at affordable costs, something Fairphone has taken care of. Apple targets users that go for a high-end phone. Apple has opted to operate in a fairly closed and controlled system. The user depends on Apple and qualified repair shops to restore the product if it fails. Such a controlled closed system can be perfectly valid as an approach also from a sustainability perspective, but the model only works when the manufacturer takes full responsibility for recovery of the product and enables easy and affordable access to repair. When the product breaks down and needs repair after the warranty period, repair should be accessible and affordable. Summarizing, two completely different design approaches. To successfully extend the lifetime, both need to take into account the opportunities for recovery at the end of life of the product, not only from a technological perspective, but also addressing business approach and user engagement. As a closing remark, closing loops is not a goal in itself, but a means to obtain sustainability, and this concerns societal, environmental, and economic aspects. Assessment of products and services and the scenarios in which they can be used and recovered is therefore essential.